Welcome to this quick ChatGPT tutorial. In just a few minutes, I'll show you the interface, some example prompts, beginner tips, and how to organize your work inside ChatGPT. When you open ChatGPT, this is what you'll see. The chat box at the bottom is where you type your prompts. On the left, you'll find your saved conversations. ChatGPT automatically keeps them here, so you can go back anytime. You can even rename them to stay organized. Let's try a few prompts so you can see how it works. First, explain AI to me like I'm 10 years old. ChatGPT breaks it down simply without jargon. Next, summarize this paragraph into 3 bullet points. This is great for condensing articles, meeting notes, or study material. And another example, write a catchy Instagram caption for a coffee shop. Perfect for quick content creation. The secret to better results is giving more context. For example, write a blog intro, 150 words in a friendly tone. Or list 5 content ideas in a table with pros and cons. You can even say, rewrite this in a funny style. The more detail you add, the closer ChatGPT gets to what you really want. On the left sidebar, you'll see all your saved chats. You can click on one to reopen it or rename it. For example, content ideas for Instagram. This makes it easy to keep your projects separate, whether you're using ChatGPT for work, study, or personal tasks. And that's it. You now know how to navigate ChatGPT, write your first prompts, improve your results with a few simple tips, and keep your projects organized. Now it's your turn. Open ChatGPT and try these prompts today. And if you want more tutorials and prompt ideas, don't forget to follow.